Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Lone Star Meeple Rules Edition. With us, as always, we have the green meeple, Michael.
Hey, how are y'all?
And I am the red meeple, Alex. Today, we'll be teaching a new roll and write game, Roll and Cook.
This game is designed by Benjamin Gauthier. It's a print and play that's good for 1 to 100 players, perfect for any Zoom or social distancing platforms.
The object of the game is to cook as many dishes as possible. To do this, you will gather ingredients, mix them together, and follow recipes to score big points. The game takes place in 12 hours or turns, and the person with the most stars is the winner.
All you need for this game is your favorite writing device, the player sheet, 3 dice, write your name at the top, and we're ready to go.
On the game sheet, you'll notice 12 hours or turns. Each set of hours has a vertical list of ingredients with a die icon next to it. You'll also see 6 hexagons with die icons in the middle.
On your turn, you'll roll 3 dice, write down the numbers. Use the numbers that are corresponding to those dice to choose ingredients, either circling the ones on the top or the ones in the hexes below.
I would like to mention that there are 4 different types of ingredients. First, there are the common ingredients that have a white background. Then you will see rare ingredients that have a grayed out background. There is also a mystery bag that counts as a wild common ingredient. And some spaces have double ingredients where you get both ingredients for 1 die roll. You can only choose ingredients from your current hour, but always take from the hexes below.
After you've decided which ingredients to take, you can combine them to get more rare ingredients. For example, if we wanted to build this, we'd take 1 milk and 1 salt and get a butter or a cheese. Also, you can do the same thing with potatoes. 2 potatoes makes French fries. Make sure to cross off the ingredients as you use them.
Every game you get 4 powers marked on the side as so. To use the power, cross out the power and do what it says. The first power lets you add or subtract 1 pip to any die, so the 1 can become a 2. The next ability lets you change any die face to whichever other face you would like. The third power lets you reuse the die, so this would give us 2 6s. Lastly, you can add a die on whatever face you would like.
These powers affect only you. You may use them on any turn, and you can use as many as you would like on 1 turn, but you only get each power once per game. To create a dish, make sure you have a plate at the top of the hour and cross it out. Here, we're going to make a pie. You need fruit, sugar, and dough. We're going to use the dough from here, and the sugar from here. The fruit we can use here or the question mark down here. We're going to take the one from up here. Don't forget to cross off when you make a meal. To score, first count how many of the dishes you made. Here we made 4 pies. We're going to multiply this times the number at the bottom. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Some spaces have bonus points. Don't forget to add those. Our score for the pies is 24. If we look at the cakes, we made 2 cakes. 2 times 6 equals 12. We add our bonus points for a total of 14. Lastly, we made 1 poutine, which would just be 6 points. Each leftover rare ingredient is worth a point. Add all your points together, and the person with the most points is the winner. We compare this number to the number at the top. Our cafe earned 2 stars. If there's a tie, the player with the most unused ingredients wins the tie. If there is still a tie, the player with the most unused dishes is the winner. Thank you. This has been a Lone Star Meeple.